Sergeant, put his clothes back on.
I told him when he entered Jerusalem as the king. Look at him now.
So he's the king. The king of the Jews. Man, we ought to dress him like a king.
Hey!
Give me your clothes.
Don't use mine. Use one of those.
Oh, wait a minute. There's some over here. Here it is. Come on. Here we are. Turn around. Look at him.
Hey, wait a minute. If he's a king, he needs a crown.
Hey, Majesty. High and mighty Majesty.
Oh, look at him.
I have it! A king's crown!
Look what he's got. He's got his crown.
He needs a scepter. Majesty!
A perfect fit, your
Where's
majesty.
your throne, eh? Now he's the king. Tiberius will be getting worried. Ecce homo. Behold the man. Well, what have you got to say for yourself now? Speak! What are you? Well, say something! Don't you want to defend yourself? Do you want to die? Don't you realize I have the power to release you or have you crucified?
Have no power over me if it had not been given you from above.
Quintilius, isn't there an ancient custom honoring Passover where the procurator can release a prisoner sentenced to death as an act of mercy?
Yes. That custom still exists.
And we have 2 prisoners.
Barabbas?
And Jesus. So let the people decide. I've made my decision. The people will decide.
Take him away.
Right, take this one away. Get down to the prison now and bring Barabbas.
Barabbas! Remember? Barabbas! Good. Here. Listen to me. Listen. You two, listen. When I give you the cue, you shout for Barabbas.
Barabbas is depending on you. Barabbas has fought for you. Don't betray him. Shout for Barabbas.
No, you must save Jesus. He's a righteous man.
When did they arrest him? Late last night. In the Garden of Gethsemane. Gethsemane? That's near where I live.
We must be prepared. Barabbas must be free at all costs. Now look, we've put our men all over. Do you understand? And given...
He could understand what they wanted when he's at the temple.
As a sign of his magnanimity and his benevolence, our divine emperor has decided that the custom of releasing one prisoner sentenced to death in honor of your Passover shall continue. We have 2 prisoners. One, Jesus of Nazareth, accused of treason by proclaiming himself King of the Jews.
Do you work a miracle now, Jesus?
Anyone shouting for that false prophet had better watch out.
Look at him, the King of the Jews.
What's happened to him?
Call yourself a king?
Or Barabbas, accused of sedition and murdering a Roman auxiliary.
That's the man they call the Son of God.
Give us Barabbas! Why don't you free yourself, Jesus?
Which of the 2 shall be released to you? Jesus of Nazareth,
We cannot let this happen. We must do
guilty of proclaiming himself King of the Jews?
No, he wears a crown.
Or Barabbas?
Release Jesus! He is the true prophet! Jesus is a man sent from God! Free Barabbas! He's a false prophet! He betrayed us! Kill the Nazarene! Jesus! He's in We want Barabbas! Free Barabbas! Barabbas! Free Barabbas! Jesus! Barabbas!
Shut up, you slut!
Free Barabbas! Free him! Save the Nazarene! He is the true prophet! Release him! Kill Barabbas!
We can't let him go. We can't let Barabbas get away.
Yes.
Soldiers won't like that.
Pilate, you're not going to free Barabbas, an assassin and enemy of Rome.
I wonder, who is the real enemy?
Jesus of Nazareth must be saved!
Then let it be written that Jesus of Nazareth is guilty of treason by proclaiming himself King of the Jews and is sentenced to be crucified.
Release Barabbas now!
Hooray! Barabbas is sinners! You cannot kill him! He is innocent! Innocent!
I said the Roman children!
Hey, Mark, where's the last prisoner? Come on.
Here's your man. Come on. Ah, the King of the Jews.
Hurry up, this crowd worries me.
Here, take him.
Make room! Make room! Get out of the way! Clear the way! Clear the way! Here he comes, you see? He's a false prophet, the justice of the Roman Empire. The way you go! Get back! Get back! Make way! He doesn't know! Clear out of the way! Hurry up! Save yourself, Jesus! Get out of here! Keep this off back! Get out of the way! Use your spears! You betrayed us! You betrayed us! You betrayed us!
right to do it! Now, all of you, stay back!
Father, forgive them. They know not what they do.
If you're what you say you are, if you're the Messiah, why don't you save yourself? And us.
Leave him alone. Don't you fear God, even when you are dying?
We deserve to die, for we are receiving the just punishment for our crimes.
But this man has done nothing wrong. Jesus.
Remember me when you come into your kingdom.
Today,
you will be with me in paradise.
Hey, who are you?
She is his mother.
How can you prove it? Hey. She is his mother. Go, dear. And who are you?
Please. I'm one of the family.
Is that right?
Yes. She is one of the family.
Go.
The Romans won't let you get close.
John. Behold your mother. Woman. Behold your son.
He saved others. Why can't he save himself now?
Ellie! Ellie! Sabachthani!
Listen, he's calling on the prophet Elijah.
No, he's not calling Elijah. He's quoting the scriptures. Even now, nailed to the cross, he quotes the scriptures. Even now.
He was despised and rejected of men, man of sorrows, and acquainted with grief. He was oppressed and afflicted, yet he opened not his mouth. He was brought as a lamb to slaughter, and as a sheep before its shearer is dumb. Surely he hath borne our griefs and carried our sorrows. Yet we did esteem him stricken, smitten of God, and afflicted. But he was wounded for our transgressions. He was abused for our iniquities. And through his wounds, we are healed. Into thy hands I commit my spirit. It is accomplished.
Oh.